Good morning, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, we have been having a snowstorm since last night. And I want to show you what it looks like outside. Have a look. So I'm on the front porch and I am gonna open. Look there, I can't even open the door. Look, guys, the door is blocked in with snow. Look at that. It's blocked in with snow. Look at that, guys. I don't even know if I'm going to try. I'm going to try, guys, to step and show you the magnitude of the snow that is. Here's the road. Look at the road. You can't even see the road. It's covered. The road is covered. Look. This is how high the snow is. This is the door. That's the floor. And look there. They're blocked in, guys. Look at the chairs outside, guys. They're all covered with snow, almost buried in the snow. Guys, it's covered with snow. It looks like a ice cream and a cone. That's a lot of snow. It's this is the worst we have had since the beginning of the winter season, and I hope this is the last of it for the season. Because, guys, this is too much. Too much. Guys, we are now going to shovel the snow. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Yes, look at that. Oh wow, guys, this is what we have done so far, and I was doing right there, but you know, we still have good people around, guys, because this gentleman saw us and he come with his snow blower and he's blowing for us. That's so sweet. Really appreciate what he's doing for us. It's not easy to be using just the shovels because our snow blower just decided to stop working for some reason or the other. See, guys, he's blowing the shovel snow for us. Really appreciate it. He's doing all this for us. You know, we didn't even ask him. Ariana making snowball with the snow.
Not perfect, but
make another one.
This is gigantic. Wow!
We cool.
Alright.
Yeah, that's too much, right? Okay, she wants to go back home. Look at her, guys. She don't want to go back inside. She loves it. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
way, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Guys, so I've made a pathway for us to at least walk from the front door to the garage. And if we come home, we can always walk here instead of walking through the garage. So yes guys, so this is what I've done, and trust me, it's a lot. You see how high the snow is on each side? Yeah, so I have to dig a pathway between the snow just for us to walk to the front of the house. So I'm gonna throw some salt now, just for it to melt the snow so no ice is built up for us to slip on. Yes guys, my nose are running right now. I'm having the sniffles, so here about 3 days we have been shocked, and trust me, it's still a lot. 3 days traveling and it is still a lot. Look there, even on the road. And I don't think we will get rid of this all of the snow until the season is finished. If we do get rid of it, I'll let you know, but it's gonna stay here, and more snow is gonna fall until the season ends. Then everything will melt away, and you know, we'll get rid of it. Yep. So I'm going to throw some salt now.